Hi, beautiful people! Here is a very special story that I have just for you. The name of the book is I Can Stay Calm. The book is about a lovely girl named Anya. Anya, right here. We're going to read about Anya and how Anya can stay calm. Just like us, Anya can tell her body what to do. I can stay calm. Maddie and I were making necklaces. Mine had long red beads and sparkly blue beads. Anya, can you please pass me a blue bead? Asked Maddie. Maddie reached for one, but she knocked over all of the red beads. Oh no! Plinkety plink! Beads were everywhere, even the ones from her necklace. Anya picked up her string. There wasn't one bead left. Aww. Look what you made me do, Maddie, Anya cried. Now everything is ruined. I can see you're really upset, said Miss Jan. Take a nice deep breath. Then we'll help you pick up the beads. After everyone picked up the beads, Anya's hands were still shaky. It was hard to get the beads onto the string. Let's take a break and read a story, suggested Miss Jan. After the story, Anya asked, "Can I make a new necklace?" "Sure," said Miss Jan. "You look nice and calm now." Anya chose a new pattern for her necklace. When she lined up the beads, some rolled onto the floor. Anya felt herself getting upset, but then she took a deep breath. Anya stayed nice and calm, and her new necklace was even better than her first one. The end. So here's a picture of a girl on the back. And look, she's doing puzzles. And it says, what are some things you can do to help you feel calm? It's really a good idea to think about what helps you feel calm. Is it playing with Play-Doh? Is it playing with sand? Is it doing puzzles? Is it reading a book? All of those activities can help us regulate our emotions or emotions that feel bad or not so good on the inside.
Are you ready to sing the Shalom Neighbor song with me?
1, 2, 3. Shalom, neighbor. What do we say? It's going to be a beautiful day. So clap your hands and shake, shake, shake. Jump up and down and keep being great. Yay! Awesome. Okay, folks, have a wonderful day. And I will see you again next time. All right? See you later. Goodbye. Join us next time on Harmony Playhouse, and don't forget to subscribe.